Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, I'm super excited to talk to you about a giant leap for India, the Gaganyaan mission. This is India's first human spaceflight mission, led by none other than ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. What exactly is Gaganyaan, you ask? Well, it's a mission to send Indian astronauts, known as Gaganauts, into low Earth orbit and bring them back safely. This will make India the fourth nation to send humans into space, after Russia, the USA, and China. The main objective: to send a 3-member crew into orbit at an altitude of 400 kilometers for 3 days. That's right, 3 days in space. Now, let's get into some key facts. Gaganyaan means skycraft in Sanskrit. The mission will use the LVM-3 rocket, India's most powerful launcher. It's set to launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, and the budget for this ambitious mission is around Rs 9,023 crore, approximately $1.2 billion. But what about the spacecraft? The Gaganyaan spacecraft has two main parts: the crew module and the service module. The crew module is where our Gaganauts will live, and it's packed with life support and safety systems. The service module houses propulsion and power systems to keep the spacecraft running smoothly. Safety is key here. The spacecraft has an advanced launch abort system to protect the crew during launch and a robust heat shield for re-entry. They've thought of everything. Now let's talk about the mission phases. First, the launch phase, where the LVM-3 rocket will take the crew to orbit. Then, the orbital phase, where our Gaganauts will spend 3 days conducting experiments and monitoring systems. Finally, the re-entry and landing phase, where the crew module will return to Earth, splashing down in the Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal. The importance of this mission? It's monumental. Gaganyaan will boost India's space industry, advance our scientific capabilities, and position India as a major player in human spaceflight. And this is just the beginning. ISRO has big plans for the future, including missions to the Moon, Mars, and even a space station by 2035. So, there you have it. The Gaganyaan mission is a historic step for India's space journey. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's cheer for our Gaganauts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.